Hello guys, welcome to the sixth session of AngularJS. This is the third video of controllers. In last video, I'm going to explain a scope inheritance example, how inheritance work with controllers. It is common to attach controllers at a different levels of the DOM hierarchy. We can have a parent controller, child controller. We can have many nested controllers. Since the ng controller directive creates a new child scope, we get a hierarchy of scope that inherits from each other. So we have a parent controller. Inside parent controller, we have a child controller. So child controller scopes can inherit the properties of parent controller because child controller scopes can inherit the scope of parent controller. It means the scope that each controller receives will have access to properties and methods defined by controllers higher up by the hierarchy. So child controller can have access to the parent controller properties. It means models and methods behavior. Okay, let's quickly see the example. Let's create one HTML and quickly create one controller JS. Okay, create a HTML template again. Okay, uh, scope inheritance hierarchy. Scope inheritance is fine. Let's check out the example. Scope inheritance. Okay, let's copy the script again. We need to include one more script, that is controller JS controller hyphen 3.js. Okay, ngapp will assign module with my app. Okay, let's create modules here. Variable my app is equal to angular dot module my app. Okay, my app dot controller. Okay, so the parent controller. Okay, let's copy this thing. Let's give the name child controller, nested child controller. Okay, let's create properties here. Dollar scope dot name is equal to mark. Dollar scope dot time to say. Good morning. Okay, same property we are going to use here in first child controller. Change the name to Obama, and in nested child controller I'm going to override both values. In child controller I have overridden only name, but in nested child controller I'm going to override both the values. The first one is John and the second is good night. Okay, now create. Okay, I have to do one more thing here, slash. Okay, now create div with ng controller is equal to parent controller. Okay, copy paste whole thing. No, just show the name first. P H3. Okay, name and time to say. Okay, now copy all these things. Okay, so it becomes child controller and copy again. Now it become nested child. Okay, so let's copy the name of the controllers. As as I told you, ng controller creates a new child scope every time when controllers get registered. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Let's run it inside the templates. Run it. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Obama. Good night, John. It means controller 1, that is parent controller, is using the property of parent controller, Mark and good morning. But child controller overrides the name property only. It is overriding the name property only. It is not overriding good morning. Good morning is coming from parent controller, time to say. And a nested child controller is overriding both the values, name and time to say. So we are getting good night, John. Okay. Now it's time to play with inheritance. As you can see, child controller is a child of parent controller and the nested child controller is a child of child controller and the parent controller. It was printing good morning Mark, good morning Obama, good night John. But what happens if I comment out the name in nested child controller? Will it take the name of Obama or will it take the name of Mark? Good question, na? Now let's try. It is taking a name of Obama because it is taking a value of first parent. Okay, what happen if I comment the Obama? Now it is Mark. So it is taking, it is first checking in parent, then checking into a grandparent. Okay, so let's check the HTML. Parent controller, then child controller. Inside child controller, we have nested child controller. Okay, so in this, like this only, inheritance work with controllers. Okay, so this it is all about inheritance in controllers. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Please, thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Thank you.